Morning, Steve Rich in Chicago with the morning grain comps. Well, at least it's been an unbelievable week for people in general and trading. As far as the grains overnight, they're very mixed. Nearby beans continue to be supported by strong basis levels. There was a little pickup in farmer selling here in the United States at yesterday's high in the May beans. We even saw a little bit of selling out of Argentina, which has been one of the factors that has really helped support the nearby bean market. Seeing a little bit of weakness in the new crop beans. There continues to be talk that if farmers can't get all the corn acres planted, they might switch to beans. In the corn market, we're seeing a very mixed trade. Yesterday saw some very heavy selling in the nearby May corn, and that extended out all into the December. It was just December in which people were concerned about the low levels of the U.S. river system, and now they're shutting things down on the river because of too much water. So some of the locks and dams are being shut down because of too much water. So that is weighing on the nearby May corn contract because there may not be an option for delivery of that contract. And you could see continued weakness in the May-July spread because of these closings. Not for sure how long it's going to be closed. A lot of it depends upon the weather from here on out, but some guesses are as high as 2 weeks. In the wheat market, we saw some selling, continue to see some selling overnight. Globally, there is some concern that as we get closer to the Northern Hemisphere harvest, you will see demand shift from the inverted higher prices to the lower prices for new crop. At the end of April, early May, the annual hard red winter wheat tour will go across the hard red winter wheat areas and assess what the crop is. There's concern about the recent freezing and some dryness in the western areas, but the eastern areas, crop conditions look very good. So it'll be interesting to see what they say about the hard red winter wheat crop. As far as weather goes here in the United States, yesterday the map showed some dryness across the Midwest starting next week. Those maps have changed. It now looks like a system will be moving across early next week for much of the same areas that were flooding in the last couple of days. There also is another front next weekend on the maps that's showing up maybe similar amounts in coverage. So this may delay plantings. We're looking at corn plantings as of Monday, maybe 6 to 8% done. This is compared to something around the maybe 19 to 20% area, and we were close to 30 to 35% done last year at this time. So we've got a lot of issues that we have to deal with. The forefront, though, is the weather and how it's impacting grain movement and how it's impacting the planting of this year's U.S. corn crop. As always, hope you have a safe and profitable trading day. These are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services.
He does like bonds. Yeah, and you know, this is kind of like